Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can do screen recording in your Redmi Pad SE. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, go to additional settings. Here it is screen recorder, you have to click on it. Then you have to select the resolution like this. Then you have to choose video quality. You can choose orientation, portrait or landscape. Then sound system, like if you want mute, mic or system sounds. And you can also choose frame rates, and it is all set. Then you have to swipe down and here you can see the screen recording. Just click on it, and if you want to start the recording, just click on this red button, it will be started. And if you want to just save this saved recording successfully, and just remove by clicking on this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.